Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the issue on your Samsung Galaxy E3 2017 that moisture is detected in the charging port. At first you need to restart your phone. So to do so, you have to hold the power button and the volume down button for at least 7 seconds. It will do a screenshot, but don't worry. Now our phone will be soft resetted. The second tip from me is to dry the charging port. So for example, use a cold air or just blow air into here. I'd use the, for example, cool hair dryer or the compressed air, but very low compressed air to dry the port. Apart from that, you have to dry the USB cable plug. So do the same with the USB cable plug here. It should work for you. And after drying, try charging again, and if the message still appears, turn off the phone and charge it while it's off. This can bypass the sensor. Alternatively, try charging via a USB port on a computer. Lower power can sometimes avoid the warning. And if the problem still occurs, you have to go to the authorized service and the workaround. Use the wireless charging with an appropriate adapter and case. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!